Tips on how to select a profitable niche on Amazon KDP. This is the part 4 on our KDP series. You are going to select the niche or the kind of book you are going to publish on Amazon. Are you going to publish journal, novel, kids coloring books, planner, workbook, etc.? On today's video, I'll be showing you 5 free tools that you need to plug or install on your Chrome browser that will enable you or help you to find the profitable niche to publish on Amazon. Number 1 tools is DS Amazon Quick View. This is how the logo is. On your own, you will see Add to Chrome. Now you are seeing Remove to Chrome because I have already install it. I have already pinned it on my Chrome. Number 2 free tools is BSR Master. You will see it add to your Chrome. I have already installed my own and pinned it on my Chrome browser. Then you add it on your Chrome browser. Number 3 tools is MAZ Suggestion Expander. Then you add it on your tools. This is how the logo is. You can see the logo here. Number 4 tools is Titan Quick View Amazon Niche Finder. Then you click on Add to your Chrome browser. Once you click on Add, it will come up like this. Then you click on Add Extension. After you have added it, you click on this icon here. Once you click on this icon, then you scroll down, you see the Titan Quick View Amazon. Then you click on Pin so that it will appear on your bar here. Last but not the least extension you need or the software you need is ChatGPT. These are all the 5 tools you need to install on your browser for you to enable you to find a profitable niche on Amazon. On our next video, we'll be going proper to book research, and I will show you how you can use this extension to find a good profitable book to publish. And if you are finding it difficult to get access to this extension, comment on the comment section free tools and I will send you the link and how to download it. If you found this video helpful, like and share to 10 of your friends. You can save this video for later. If you are not following me, hit the plus sign and follow me for more Kindle publishing.